Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet issues. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet issues, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window of Google Meet. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you will go to your airplane mode. You can turn on and you can turn off your airplane mode. Then you can go to Play Store to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.